Banana! Super cute, super adorable minions. Hey guys! Disney Toys Fan Club here with super cute, super adorable minion surprise egg. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with upcoming videos. Me want banana! It was a lot of fun making this super cute, adorable minion surprise egg. I hope you have fun too. Bye minion. It's time to check what we have inside this super adorable surprise egg. I hope you're having fun so far. This is gonna be a tough one. Oops! I can't wait to see what we have inside. Let's open a Despicable Me blind box and let's see what we have inside. These are buildable Minion series pack. You can build your own Minion. There are 6 popular Minion characters. They all come in mystery pack, so you never know which one you will get. You can customize your minions and mix and match overalls, goggles, accessories, even arms and feet. Collect them all to build your own mischief. The next one is a Minecraft blind box. Let's see which one we'll get. We've got a skeleton. Look at him. Scary. Okay, I'm gonna open a My Little Pony blind bag. And let's see who's there inside. Friendship is magic. And that is really true. We've got Bumblebee. Says it's very polite. And let's look at Bumblebee. Really pretty. Who is your favorite character from My Little Pony? Rainbow Dash? Let's open a Minecraft Series 2 from the Stone series. And let's see who do we get. There are total 12 to collect. And let's open and check. Alright, we've got a tamed wolf. Oh, this is cute. Do you play Minecraft? I've seen a lot of videos by Stampy Longhead. He does some cool videos on Minecraft games. I just like the way he laughs. It's kind of funny. Let's open this one. It's a Minion keyring. Super cute. This is the flyer. It's time for some Shopkins. Let's see who do we get this time. I can't wait for the 3rd series to come. I'm still collecting a lot from the series 2 and series 1. I hope I'm able to get all of them from series 1 and 2. Don't forget to check your Shopkins checklist. And let's see who is this. We got a rare glowy flower and super cute. Let's see this one. That is Sarah Softener, and she's a common. Super adorable and cute. Let's see the frozen capsules and see who do we get this time. I think I have this one, and this is the frozen Anna. I've got plenty of them which are duplicates now, but it's alright. Okay, we have got a Lala Loopsy blind bag from series 1. Let's see this cute little figure. These teeny weeny Sweeney Lala Loopsy dolls are super cute and adorable. These are from series 1. And let's see who do we have. Okay, do you know this one? This is Crumb's Sugar Cookie. That's right. Let's check this one. It's another Minion keyring. Super cute. Okay, and this last one. This is a DJ Minion by mega-bloks. This is a super cool playset. You can set up the speakers, spin the records, and get the crowd jumping to your awesome beats. You can build your own DJ Minion and customize him with an accessory headphones. Isn't it so cool? Now you will see in a minute. This is your instructions manual. It's very easy to make. And that's your DJ Minion. Thank you for coming. Are you all having fun? Who was your favorite today? Mine was DJ Minion and Skeleton. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay tuned for a lot more from Minions right here on Disney Toys Fan Club. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.